Hello, I'm Cory Silken, and welcome to my gallery in downtown Newport. I'm a yachting and luxury lifestyle photographer, and for 25 years I've been in search of great images on the water. I've covered prestigious yacht races for title sponsors like Panerai and Bacardi, and traveled to exotic destinations to create imagery for many preeminent marine brands and discerning super yacht owners. This summer I'll be leading a photography expedition in Maine, and I want you to join me in exploring with your camera. We'll be traveling for a week aboard the 157-foot yacht schooner Arabella. With her full amenities and agile motorboat tender, we'll comfortably sail Penobscot Bay and explore picturesque seafaring towns. This trip is for all photo enthusiasts, whether you want a journey that's built around the best light of the day or are looking for direct guidance in finding your photographic voice. We'll be in the right spot at the right time, and I'll guide you in creating frame-worthy keepers. In port, we'll have time to edit our images. We'll have nightly critiques on the comfort of Arabella's Maine salon. This is a great opportunity to immerse yourself in photography and find inspiration with a group of like-minded artists. You're welcome to bring your significant others and friends along on this adventure, and please share this with anyone who you think might be interested. Check out the website at arabellalifestyle.com/expeditions for more information, and be sure to let us know what you want to experience on this adventure. We're starting to build out the crew now and look forward to having you on board. Please visit CorySilken.com to learn more about me and my work. Thank you.